Stop acting up. You put the chicken in?
Yeah, I just put the chicken in. Cut up some potatoes. I wish I had a bigger pan.
Mari, cut that out.
Make them another day.
Go sit down before you hurt yourself. Cut it out.
Amari. Huh? Whiny. Amari.
Alright, I'm ready to cut this grass. You ain't never seen out here. Enjoy being outside. You always be inside. Enjoy being outside for once. Hmm? Hmm? Oh. You doing something?
Hey. Hey. Look at this airport. It actually feels good out here.
Yeah, dude.
It's a nice day. I should have went to the Bronx today.
Hmm?
I should have went to the Bronx today. It's nice.
Nah, I wouldn't went to no Bronx today. True Blood come on tonight. I want to do all this and get all this done. Oh, here she come with her dog. And
You gotta do.
she got her dog with her.
And be done.
See, she got her dog.
Look at his glasses! Oh my god! Oh my god! You see his glasses?
Yeah, I seen he got his glasses on.
I know I saw him with her the other day. She had him in the little bag, the little carrier. But oh my god. She done put his damn pants on.
Oh.
Amari.